Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khoyrun Fatimah with the name 226121033. Here I will present about my group material, group 2, about human resources management. The first one is about the definition of human resource management. HRM is the process through which a company identifies, recruits, hires, positions, and manages its employees. So human resource management is an approach to running a business that views its workforce as its most valuable resource. And the next is the purpose. The purpose of HRM, the primary purposes is to help businesses meet their immediate and long-term objectives by reducing risk and increasing ROI. And the next is the functions. The functions of human resource management are human resource planning, which forecasts future workforce needs. Recruitment and selection selects qualified candidates for open positions. Training and development will provide learning opportunities and to improve employee skills, knowledge, and performance. Also, they are evaluating employee performance, providing feedback, and setting goals for improvement, designing and managing competitive compensation, including salaries, bonuses, and benefits, and promoting a safe and healthy work environment. And then the next is the roles of HRM. There are 7 main roles in HRM. They are workforce planning, recruiting and selection, development, introduction and orientation, promotion, remuneration, and the last is layoff and reduction. So the first one is workforce planning. Workforce planning plays a role in planning workforce needs based on organizational strategy and business needs. And then recruiting and selection plays a role in finding, selecting, and recruiting. And then the development plays a role in developing employee potential, like their skills or anything. And then introduction and orientation plays a role in ensuring the smooth integration of new employees. It is such like mentoring and introduction. And then the next one is promotion. Promotion plays a role in managing the promotion process. And then remuneration plays a role in determining and managing a fair and competitive compensation and benefit system for employees. And the last one is layoff and reduction. The role is handling the process of layoffs and workforce reduction in accordance with company regulations and labor laws. And the next is 5 main areas of HRM. So there are 5 main areas of HRM. It is almost the same. The first one is recruitment and selection. Means the process of finding, attracting, and selecting the right candidates to fill positions in the organization. And then the second is training and development. It focuses on improving employee skills and competencies through training programs, continuous learning, and career development. This area have a goal which is improve individual and overall organizational performance. And then performance management, it is the process for assessing and improving employee performance. It involves goal setting, periodic performance evaluation, and feedback and development. And the fourth is compensation and benefits. It is like managing salary structures, bonuses, and other benefits to attract and retain employees. It is also includes developing policies related to employee well-being and work-life balance. And the last one is employee relations. It is mean managing interactions between management and employees, including conflict resolution, organizational culture development, and employee engagement. And the next we have roles of HRM. So there are some roles in HRM in English Business Management. The first one is recruitment and selection, the second is training and development, and the last is employee engagement. The first one is recruitment and selection. For example, like conducting job fairs and utilizing online platforms like LinkedIn to attract candidates suited for various business roles. And then training and development, for example, like offering language and business communication workshops to improve employees' English proficiency, enhancing their ability to engage in international business settings. And then the third is employee engagement. It is like implementing feedback systems and recognition programs that encourage employees to share their ideas and contributions, fostering an inclusive and motivating environment. And the next one, types of HR. There are some types of HR. It is the first one is recruitment and staffing. It is means staffing and recruitment cannot exist without each other, but they are not the same. Recruiting is the process of searching and obtaining prospective candidates for the job, while staffing encompasses all the processes involved in building and retaining the workforce. And then the second is employee relations. HR is responsible for putting systems in place that drive a healthy workplace culture and address or prevent engagement and burnout. Conflict resolution is another major aspect of employer and employee relations. And the next is learning and development. The learning and development team is responsible for providing training and professional development opportunities for employees to better perform in their current roles or advance to a new role within the organizations. And the next is performance management. The performance management process is unique to each organization, but generally involves assessing how employees are performing against established goals and expectations. Also, the next one and the last one is the role of HR management in developing English business management. They are facilitating language training, cultural integration enhancing, and communication skills. So, facilitating language training, it means offering English language courses helps employees communicate effectively in a global business environment. And then cultural integration, it is promoting a culture of diversity and inclusion, which is essential for businesses operating internationally. And the last one is enhancing communication skills. It is implementing training that focuses on business communication, negotiation, and presentation in English skills, thereby improving overall business interactions and effectiveness. So this outline captures the essence of HR management and its critical functions and roles and contributions to organizational success, particularly in the context of English business management. Okay, that's all from me. If there's any mistake, I'm really sorry. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.